It's the Great Big Home and Garden Show. I'm here with Rosanna, and it's brought to you by
CarrierOhio.com.
It's starting this Friday. So what's going on?
The Great Big Home and Garden Show, presented by CarrierOhio.com, will be held at Cleveland's IX Center from Friday, January 30th through Sunday, February 8th, making its final year at this venue before transitioning to a new location. It's an ideal stop for homeowners seeking inspiration deals and practical solutions, with the added benefit of engaging directly with industry professionals and evaluating home goods firsthand. Our feature idea home is the Taylor 3 from Hartzler's Quality Housing, a thoughtfully crafted 3-bedroom, 2-bath modular home that blends sleek design with everyday practicality. Backed by popular demand, Weaver Barns Backyard Oasis. Weaver Barns features a range of well-crafted structures, including sheds, pavilions, and garages. Tour the Kaufman Tiny Home located in the Garden Showcase. At Kaufman Tiny Homes, there aren't just scaled-down houses. They are creatively designed with the customer in mind. Greater Cleveland Food Bank Day, Friday, January 30th. Bring 2 cans of vegetables and receive $5 off regular admission.
I'll be there too at the Caring Corral, so stop by. We're going to have the best nut roll from Donna and cookies and all that.
Visit GreatBigHomeandGarden.com to plan your day and to purchase your discounted tickets.
And you can go to thecaringcorral.com to get half off tickets. Do it today. We're going to sell out. We sell out every year.